Welcome to Kesh Code. Today we are talking how to create and animate text gradient effect. Get ready to add some mesmerizing flair to your web development skill using just CSS. Our first step is to set the stage. Open your favorite code editor and create a new CSS file. Let's start by defining the HTML element that will showcase our animated text gradient effect. Create a class selector and give it a name that matches your creativity. Let's call it text gradient. Now it's time to bring the magic to life. Add the necessary CSS properties to your text gradient classes. We'll start with background clip property set to text and a background image property that defines the gradient. To make our gradient truly mesmerizing, let's add an animation. Create a new animation rule and specify the duration using any additional effect you want to incorporate. Apply the text gradient classes to the HTML element of your choice. You have mastered the art of creating animated text gradient using CSS. Now we link our style sheet in HTML. Now it's time to share your magic with the world. Add into your website, portfolio, or in project that needs a touch of enhancement. Thanks for joining us in this my mystical journey of Kesh Code. Stay tuned for more existing tutorials that will unleash your website development powers. Until next time, keep coding and creating.